Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Leah and I have decided that I want to start a YouTube channel solely dedicated to my plants, what I've learned about plants, how to take care of them, how to water them, how to pot them, how to propagate them. Everything that I learned about plants, I wanted to share with you guys, and also as a way for you guys to give me tips and tricks as well on things that I may not know, because I am newer to the plant world, but I have just fallen like crazy deep in the plant world. So as you can see, I have quite a few plants, which I will probably be making a video about them sometime in the future, but I wanted to start off today with making a video solely on the newest plant that I got, which is this watermelon peperomia. You guys, when I saw this plant, I just had to have it. And I hope that you guys can't hear my neighbors. They're playing loud music. I could hear it, but I don't know if you guys can hear it. But yeah, anyway, this is a watermelon peperomia, and as you could tell, it gets its name from its leaf looking like the outside of a watermelon. And I love that the leaves are like thick, like a succulent. I just love this plant, you guys. As you can see inside here, there's some new growth coming in, which I'm really excited about. I've had this plant for about 3 weeks now, and so far what I've learned about it is that it is very susceptible to root rot. So that is why I put it in a terracotta pot. That way I know that it is not sitting in water, and that the terracotta pot, if you don't know what the terracotta pot does, it will wick away any excess moisture so that your plant's not just sitting in water. I do find that I have to water this more often because I have it in a terracotta pot, but I would rather that than not knowing and running the risk of it root rotting and then my plant dying. So yeah, you guys, that is what I know so far about this plant. It does like more light, in my opinion. I tried to put it over deeper into my apartment, which let me see if I could show you guys just behind me. Like, I have the light on, so you really can't tell the natural light, but it gets pretty good light all the way back through, but the closer you are to this big window, the more light it gets. So I have found that the closer it is to this window, the more it likes it. When I first brought it home, some of the leaves were starting to curl in, and they say that could be due to underwatering, overwatering, not getting enough sun, or it even being cold. So I moved it away from the window a little bit more, but to where it had enough sunlight, and the leaves have seemed to really responded well, opened up pretty well. And yeah, I'm just really excited about all this new growth. So next thing I wanted to talk about was propagating this plant, you guys. So there's a few ways that I seen online that you could propagate this, and one is by just taking a cutting, which this is what I have right here, just cuttings. The other way is that they say you could cut the plant horizontally like this and propagate it in soil. I have not tried that just because I don't have a lot of space to be propagating things in that form. But I do water propagate, and I just water propagated for the first time a golden pothos, which I can share with you guys in a later video. But for this video, I did take some cuttings of the watermelon peperomia, and I actually took a cutting. This was the first one I cut, and I didn't know if it was gonna work because, as you can see, the leaf is damaged. It's split right at the end. But this is actually, let me see if I could show you guys. It's actually starting to form some roots. So I'm really, there you go, that's better. It's starting to form some roots. This is the only one that has roots so far. So even if the leaf is damaged, it looks like it's going to be fine to propagate. These other ones do not have any roots yet. Like I said, I probably cut that one a week before I cut the rest of these. So I'm probably looking at another week before I see any roots form on these other two plant or other cuttings. So yeah, you guys, if you have any questions for me about this watermelon peperomia, please let me know. And if you have any tips and tricks for me, please also let me know down in the comments. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.